Waheguru. So this is your cone, students. Uh, this is slant height of the cone. This both these red lines, straight lines are slant height of the cone. We represent by L, and then we have height of the cone. This is vertex of the cone. And this is known as height of the cone, right? This black line is the height of the cone, and then we have radius of the cone. This is the radius of the cone. Basically, this is the radius of bottom circle of the cone. Every cone is having a bottom circle, है circle on the bottom. So it is a radius of that circle, right? Now this is the height h of the cone, okay, and this is L, slant height, right? So slant height is more than h. H is the vertical height. H is vertical height, or simply we say h is the height. L is the slant height. Base of the cone is a circle, right? In a hollow cone, if the cone is hollow, means khali, then there is no circular surface. There is no circular surface. It's not generated. But if the cone is solid, then the circular surface is generated, right? So if we want to find out the, you know, this is a curved surface area. Curved surface area of the cone. So curved surface area of the cone is equal to pi r l, right? L is the slant height. Suppose L is not given, R is given, H is given, then we can find L as how? L is equal to H square plus R square under root, right? Right? Because length is taken as always positive, so we need not take negative. So this is a right angle triangle. We can say O A B is a right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, OB square is equal to OA square, that is vertical height square, plus AB square, that is radius square. So this is all about the cones. Curved surface area is a pi RL. Curved surface area is also lateral surface area of the cone. Because you remember, whenever we take lateral surface area, we never take the bottom area and we never take the top area. Only the area which is coming from the side we take. So that is lateral surface area of the cone is also same. That is pi r l, right? Okay. Now, students, if the cone is solid, then the total surface area. Then we will talk about surface area. So that will be total surface area. You know, students, would be curved surface area pi r l divided.
Pi r
Yeah, students,
plus pi r square.
please don't speak. Please mute yourself. Please mute yourself.
Okay.
Okay. So total surface area is pi r l plus pi r square. So if we take pi r common from them, so we will get L plus R, right? So this is the curved surface area, and we can write unit square. Sorry, total surface area of the cone. That is curved surface area or lateral surface area plus the bottom area. Okay, then comes volume of cone. So if you remember, students, if we have uh, cylinder, if we are having a cylinder of the same height and same radius r, so volume of that cylinder divided by volume of cylinder divided by
1
3 is equal to volume of the cone. So that means volume of cylinder we know is equal to pi r square h. So pi r square h divided by 3 is the volume of the cone. So these are all the formulas. Based upon all the formulas, we are going to do exercise 13.7. Okay, this is I think second last exercise. Then we have 13.8 also, I think, based on spheres. Okay, fine. So guys, let's do 13.7 exercise. So it says find the volume of right circular cone. Okay, so this is a right circular cone. If the height is making a 90-degree with the radius, we say right circular cone, right? So volume of right circular cone with radius is 6 centimeter. Radius is how much? 6 centimeter, and height is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, so we will find the volume. So what is the formula for the volume, Adi? Pi r square h divided by 3. So pi
pi r square at
7
3.
into what is radius 6. So we will say 6 into 6 into h is 7, right, divided by 3. So you calculate, this is the volume of,
3.
right? Okay, that's great. Okay, students, if I ask you, then you answer. Otherwise, please keep quiet. Okay, so second part also we can do in the same way, right? Okay, then we will do the second sum. This is capacity of a conical vessel. Now, students, when we talk about capacity, that means how much material can we put inside a cone. So let's say this is a cone, this is a cone. When I talk about capacity, that means how much material can we put inside, right? So obviously capacity will be for a hollow cone only. We will not state capacity for the solid cone. Am I right? Yeah. So anyway, capacity means volume. So in solid cone, something is already filled. So we cannot, nothing can be more put in that cone. So capacity for a hollow cone, or this is basically the volume of the cone. So volume of the cone is pi r square h divided by 3, right? Now he is asking the capacity to be calculated in liter. Okay, capacity to be calculated in liter. Okay, fine. So how we will calculate the capacity in the liter, students? So simply we will calculate the, he says the radius is how much? 7 centimeter is given, and the slant height L is equal to 25 centimeter. So this slant height is 25 centimeter, and radius, this radius is given as 7 centimeter, right? Then we want to calculate the capacity. Same, use this formula. Then you will get the volume in centimeter cube. Now we have to convert centimeter cube into liter. So Adi, do you remember how many centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter? Do you remember? Yeah, 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter, right? So from this we will calculate, convert this into liter. Simply divide whatever volume you get, divide by 1000. So this is also done. Then we will do third sum. One more thing in the previous sum is there, students. The slant, uh, huh, in this formula we want h. We don't want slant height. So h is not given. So h you will calculate as how? L square minus r square under root. Remember that. Then we will put the value for h. Because in the volume for the cone, L is not used. H is used. Right? Okay. So now comes the height of a cone is 15 centimeter. Height of the cone. So obviously this is the cone. The height is 15 centimeter. Okay. Volume is 1570 centimeter cube. Its volume is given. Find the radius of the base. And also he says take pi is equal to 3.14. So very simple. What is the volume of the cone? Formula? Pi r
Pi r
h divided by 1 by 3.
3.
Right? So this is equal to pi. We have to take 3.14 into r is how much? What is r? Hanji?
3.
We have to find out the radius, na? So r square into h. What is h? H is given, that is 15 divided by 3. So that is equal to 1570, right? So r square will be equal to 1570 into 3 divided by 15 into 3.14, or you can say 314 into 100. You can write like this also, right? So now 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 5 4s are 20. So see that 314 cancels with 314, 3 cancels with 3. The answer is 100. So R is 10. Am I right? R is 10 centimeter, right? You got it? R is equal to 10 centimeter. Okay, good. We have done this. Then he says volume of right circular cone of height 9 centimeter is 48 pi centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cone, and it's given that its height h is equal to 9 centimeter. Find the diameter of the base. So simply we have to calculate diameter, that is equal to 2 into r. Diameter is equal to 2 into radius. Because if this is a circle, so this is the radius, then double the radius will be diameter. So diameter is equal to 2 into r. So very simple, you can do this also. So this involves less calculation. So 48 pi is given is equal to pi r square into h. Pi r square h divided by 3. Very simple. Pi cancels with pi. So h is 9. H is 9. Okay. So this is equal to r square into 9 by 3. So this will be 3. So r square will be equal to 48 divided by 3. So that is equal to 3 ones are 3. 16. So r is very simple. 4.
4.
Diameter will be 2r, that is 8 centimeter. Good. So most of the sums I am doing, you have to only do it again and then send a WhatsApp. Okay. So then he says there is a conical pit. Conical pit means like this. This is a conical pit. So we have to dig a conical pit, I think he says. Uh, Diameter is 3.5 meter is the diameter of the conical pit. It is 12-meter deep. So if I say 12-meter deep, so I will take slant height, Adi, or I will take the height of the cone. If I say this pit is 12-meter deep, so 12-meter is the H or 12-meter is the L? H. It is a height. Very good. So volume of right circular cone, no. Conical pit of diameter, top diameter 3.5 meter, 12 meter deep. What is the capacity in liter? You have to calculate capacity in liter. Okay. Capacity in liter. Okay. So now we will calculate capacity relates to volume. So first we will find out volume. Volume is equal to uh, capacity in liter. So volume is equal to pi r square h divided by 3. So that is equal to pi 22 by 7 into r will be 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2 into h is 12 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 2 cancels with 4 and 7 will cancel with 0.5. Right students? So we will get volume is equal to 22 into 0.5 into 3.5. What? This is meter cube. Right? Everything is given in the meter. Am I right? So this is equal to how much? 38.50 meter cube. 38.50 meter cube. Okay, 1 minute. 38 point. Okay, okay. 38.50 meter cube. Okay. So now we have to convert into liter. So 1 meter cube volume will have how many liter? 1 meter cube. How many liter? Yeah, liter. Good. 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So how much will be the liter in this? So it will be 38500 liter. Suppose we want to convert into kiloliter. Kiloliter. So then we will divide by 1000. So this will be equal to 38.5 kiloliter. Am I right? Yes, students? Okay, that's great. Suppose we want decaliter. Suppose we want decaliter. Then what we will do? Huh? Yes, anyone? Suppose we want decaliter. So one deca means 10. Deca is the correct, is the opposite of deci. Deci means 1 by 10 and deca, DA is 10 liter, right? So how many decaliter? So students, very simple. So this is equal to 38500 liter and this is equal, just divide by 10, 3850 decaliter. Am I right, students? Okay. How many hectoliter? This is equal to how many hectoliter? Okay, so hecto is not six. Hecto is not six. Hecto is not six. Hecto is, see, this is deci. Deci is 1 by 10. Then after deci we have 1 by 100. That is centi. Never be centi. Then we have milli. Milli is 1 by 1000. On the opposite, deci, deca, centi, hecto. Hecto. Some people call it hecta also. Milli, opposite, kilo. So hecto is 100. So 38500 liter is equal to 385 hectoliter. Hectoliter. Okay? Come on, guys. Very good. Okay. So we have done this. Okay. Now, students, we have to calculate what? We have done this. Okay. Always remember, students, 1000 centimeter cube is equal to how much? How many liter? 1 liter. Okay, can anyone calculate? 1 liter is equal to how many millimeter cube? How many millimeter cube in 1 liter? Anyone can calculate? In 1 liter, 1 millimeter cube will be only this much of volume. This much of volume. In this much of volume, how many liter of water can be accompanied? Not accompanied, but it can come. Come on, can you calculate? So, see students, what will you do? First, we will calculate 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. Now, this is 10 raised to power 3. Then convert centimeter. This is 10. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. Then cube. So, this is equal to 10 raised to power 3 into 10 raised to power 3. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, right? Yes. 3 millimeter cube, that is equal to 10 raised to power 6 millimeter, correct? Cube. Okay, all right. Okay, then he says the volume of right circular cone is 9856. 9856 centimeter cube. Volume of, what is this? This is volume of right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. Volume is given. If diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, diameter of the base, so radius will be 14 centimeter, right? Find the height of the cone, slant height of the cone, curved surface area of cone. So these are simple, do yourself. Curved surface area is equal to r L. All right, so do it. So if you know, if h is given and suppose r is given, you can find out L. Am I right, students? Very good. So you will find at first you will find this third part cannot be done without calculating R and H. Simple. You do. Okay. Then comes uh, seventh sum. Okay. Yes, students. Now we are having seventh sum. A right triangle ABC. Right triangle. Now, students, whenever they say right triangle, what is the meaning of this? Right triangle means now Sargun, is this right triangle? It's not right triangle, right? One angle should be 80 degree plus 10. So this is the right angle triangle. This angle is 90 degree. Which sides 5, 12, 13, right? Obviously this will be 5, right? So yes, Amrit, can I say this is 12 and this is 13? No, this will be 12 because hypotenuse is always the hypotenuse is always the longest side of the triangle. Okay, 5, 12, 13 is revolved around the side 12 centimeter. Oh, beautiful. Revolved around the side means take this corner. Let us say this is A, B, Sorry, A, B, C. Now, sorry. Okay, students. Now you take this vertex A. There are three vertex of the triangle. Now simply make B vertex fix. B vertex and simply revolve A around the B. So whenever you and make C also fix. BC fix. When he says revolve around side 12 centimeter, that means BC should be fixed. Make BC fixed. Revolve A. Then what will be generated? Cone. Cone will be generated. Very right. That cone will have slant height. How much? Will be, yes, that cone 13. And height of the cone will be 12. Very good. And the diameter of the cone will be, no,
10.
10. 10. Please switch on, switch off. Okay, students. So we have done this. Now, find the volume of solid so obtained. Okay. So volume simple would be equal to pi r square h by 3 would be equal to 22 by 7 into r square. R is 5 into 5 into h is 12 divided by 3. Am I right? Pi r square h by 3. So this calculate. So this is the answer. 3 4s are 12. So whatever you get the answer, like 88 into 25 divided by 7. So this much is the it is centimeter. Centimeter cube is the volume. Okay, we have done this, sir. 7th. So please do it yourself. Okay. All right, students. Now we do 8 sum. If the triangle ABC in the question 7, oh, is revolved around the side 5 centimeter. Oh, we want to revolve the same triangle about side 5 centimeter. Find the volume of the solid so obtained. Find also ratio of volumes of two solids obtained in question 7 and 8. Okay. So we will go back to this. Revolved around side 5 centimeter. Okay, let's see. Yeah. Now you have to revolve around 5. That means this side will be fixed. Am I right, students? This
Yes, sir.
fixed. Now you have to revolve this 6 around this. When you will revolve 6 around this, so you will get a base circle of diameter 24 centimeters.
20.
Am I right? Radius will be 12, right? And this will be the cone generated, right? This will be cone generated. So volume will be very simple, pi r square h. So pi r square r will be 12, 12 into 12 into height will be how much? Yes. What's your name? Armandeep Singh. What will be height of this cone? Yes. Sargun, what will be the height of new cone? Pi r square. So height will be anyone? 10 centimeter. Wrong. Height will be not 10 centimeter. Height will be 12 centimeter. Nonsense. No, 12. This is rotated. It's rotated.
5 centimeters.
Ah, beautiful. Falgun. Let's clap for Falgun. Beautiful. So the height will be 5 centimeter. Beautiful. Pi r square h. Is it right? Pi r square h by 3. So this is the answer. 3 4 is 12. So this is equal to 340 pi centimeter cube. And in last case, this is V2. Last case, what was the V1? Last case, V1 was how much, students? It was 100 pi. 100 pi. So what is the ratio? V2 by V1. Obviously, V2 is more. Okay. V2 is more, so this will be equal to 2.4. Or you can say V2 is equal to 2.4 times V1. Oh, that's very good. Now we also came to know about this thing that, okay, now students, please tell me that if I rotate this around AC, will I get a cone?
No,
You.
we have to rotate on a point.
You have to rotate. No, we are not rotating. In the last time also, we are not rotating one point. We are rotating about line only. First we rotated about BC, then we rotated about AB. Can I rotate around AC? No. If I rotate around AC, so I will get this shape. I will get this shape. This, and this is not a cone. Am I right? Right now you can say upper cone, down cone, but ultimately it is
Yes, sir.
not a cone. Falgun is really doing good, but if you don't do homework, Falgun, then it's not good. Do the homework, be laborious. Okay? Say no to mobiles and other things. Okay? Do more study. Your acceleration increase कर रही है. Make sure acceleration increase करे. Okay. So we have done this. Very good. Now nine. Heap of wheat. Oh, when you remember heap, I remember the farmers protesting in Delhi. Okay, it's really horrific to see how the farmers are dying, but the government is not listening to them. All right. So we all pray that they become successful. Government listens, takes back the draconian bills so that the farmers are happy, not only for Punjab, for the whole country. Okay. And I was thinking that, yeah, today I read news, I saw the video that Adani Group, they have made silos in Bihar. Silos are, like in ancient India, we used to have matti. In matti, we used to store the grain. Now those mattis are taking the shape of very big silos. These are the silos, and the total capacity of that silo is 5 lakh metric tons. 5 lakh metric ton is the total capacity of those, I think not just only Bihar, but different places he has made the silos, total capacity. And I tell you one thing, students, the total uh, yield, the total output of Punjab is only 17 lakh metric ton. Wow, that's very dangerous, this figure. That means total capacity of the Punjab. This person has the capacity to buy the entire wheat. If not entire wheat, he can buy 1/3. He is having the capacity to buy 1/3 of the total grains of Punjab and store them. Now he'll buy obviously for 8 rupees or 9 rupees, and he will sell them for 35 or 40 rupees. Now, how many students agree that is he selling them now, the corporates, or it will happen later on? He's selling now. It's being sold now also. We have a metro near our home. In the metro, the floor, Fortune oil, Fortune floor is there. It is available for 350 rupees for 10 kg. So 350 rupees for 10 kg means, don't do. That means for 1 kg 35 rupees. But it is bought from the farmer from 7 or 8 rupees, though already it has started. So when the storing capacity will increase, then he will buy at much less rate and possibly sell at higher rate. So this is the simple equation, simple mathematics behind why the farmers of India are protesting. And you can search the silos made by Adani Group in Delhi, in Bihar. So we must protest, and the normal farmer, he should be happy. So normal farmer is happy, the country is happy. Heap of wheat. So this is a heap of wheat. Heap is always like this. So it is in the form of a cone, whose diameter is 10.5 meters. So obviously the radius will be 10.5 divided by 2 meter, right? Height is 3 meters. So this is the height. This is 3 meter. Find the volume. Very simple. Volume will be pi r square 10.5 divided by 2 into 10.5 divided by 4 into 3. Very simple. This is the volume of cylinder divided by 3. 3 cancels with 3. So we got the answer. Now, a heap is to be covered by a canvas to protect it from rain. Find the area of canvas required. Yes, Sargun. How we will find the area of canvas to cover this? So obviously we don't have to cover the bottom. You know, we will not put the cloth, below
At the
the
bottom.
at the bottom. We won't be able to put, no, otherwise the whole heap has to be removed. So only we have to cover the lateral
Curved
covered
surface.
surface area. So that is pi r l. So that will be equal to 22 by 7 into radius is 10.5 divided by 2 into L will be very simple. It will be 3 square plus 10.5 divided by 2 uh, L. Yeah, correct. Whole square and whole under root. So you will get the area also in sorry, not centimeter, in meter square. So students, I want you to just complete this and submit before maybe 12 night, right? So wish you all the best. Don't forget to like our channel. Speak
Learn CBSE ER Omkar Singh.
once again.
Learn CBSE ER Omkar
Engineer.
Singh. Engineer Omkar Singh.
Okay. So share with your friends also. Wish you all the best.